LJ's 25th anniversary and team building for 2024.
Good morning, LJ Pips! Isa pa, parang walang energy. Good morning, LJ Pips! Ayan. So, this is for the preparation for the 25th year anniversary of LJ, this team building. So, this is na, today, wala tayong pag-uusapan na interconnection busbar, shop drawing, budget, walang makolekta, basta, ano pa ba, Schneider, ABB, Elon. It's about LJ Pips. It's about you, people. It's for you. Today is our day. So, let's enjoy, participate. So, yung mga natatagong talino ng mga Tika LJ, ilabas natin ngayon lahat. Wala ba? Wala bang natatago? Ayun, it's about you people, employees of LJ, who contribute kung ano man yung LJ ngayon. So, let's enjoy today, okay? Thank you.
Better luck next time.
Galingan nyo ha? Galingan nyo lang. Huwag na kayo magkabala.
Kami kasi kalmang winner eh.
Bumawi na lang kayo sunod na buhay nyo.
Isa lang, we are the competition.
We are the competition na talaga. Sabi ni Tony Robbins, ang coach ng mga Hollywood celebrities at ni Michael Jordan, those who do not grow dies, and those that do not contribute gets eliminated. What doesn't grow dies, and what doesn't contribute gets eliminated.
Let's live like we're immortal.